Hey everybody, welcome to Boston Organics Kitchen. Got a special recipe for you today. We're going to be making carrot cake muffins. However, unfortunately where I am, we don't have a muffin pan, so I'm just going to be making a carrot cake. The recipe will be the same, but our final product might look a little different. I'm going to turn around here and go into the kitchen. Follow me. First you got to get a bowl and you're going to combine your dry ingredients, your flour, baking powder, baking soda, and then your spices, cinnamon, nutmeg, allspice, cloves, and salt. In another bowl, you want to combine the eggs, the oil, the vanilla, brown sugar, and buttermilk. Whisk both of those bowls together, and then you're going to combine the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients, sifting them together. Once you have those combined, we're going to add shredded carrot and raisins. Mix that together, go ahead and oil a pan, add the batter into the pan, and place it in the oven at 350 degrees for 25 minutes. I think it's been about 25 minutes. Our carrot cake should be done. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, that smells good. And everyone, don't forget to subscribe to Boston Organics for more recipe and storage tips. And we'll see you next time.